We've got our second time change morning. It's going okay. Could have used a little more sleep. We're chilly today, but it's going to be in the 70s the whole rest of the week, so I won't be complaining about today. Hi, Morris. Hi. And here comes a Mark man. Chuck's is in the chicken bowl, so that's good. Hi, bud. Someone wanted to go outside at 4:30 a.m. this morning. All those memes you see about, you know, let the cat in, let the cat out. Yeah, that's over here. I've been out here about 20 minutes pulling weeds and throwing branches. You know, just little spruce ups here and there. Stuff you'd notice if I didn't do it every day, but mostly keeping up with it, you don't notice. The weeds are starting to germinate for spring. I can honestly say, probably because of the time change, I'm just feeling tired this morning, but you know, the thought of starting to have to mow again and starting to have to water everything again and starting to have to pull silk grass and other stuff again, it's just, yeah, maybe I'm not looking forward to that. It'll be okay. I'll come around to the importance of it and it being okay. Right, bud? I stayed out with him because he was up in the woods walking around doing what he needed to do, and it's just, I just put Stripe back in the house because it's better to let Tuck settle and then Stripe come back out. But I stayed out and hung with my boy while he was up walking around so there wouldn't be no troubles. Yep. Hi. Good morning, Gray. Good morning. Good morning. Well, the tree canopy is really working on popping out up there. And I sure am enjoying the yellow bells or forsythia in the front yard. It's very pretty. First thing I see when I'm looking out the window in the morning. It's very nice.
There's my girl. Man, she's making that thing. Do you go through the motions here?
Trying to end on a bang.
She's getting with it.
5 minutes is all I think I can do.
Ah, you're doing great.
But that's all right. It'll get better over time.
Yeah, you're doing super duper. Look at that. Look at that footwork. Those pink shoes. Woo!
You got a toy? I got my latest Lego order from EMS Bricks. The rest of the floor tiles are here and a couple other important parts I needed. Plus, when I'm out of something like these, I just order them in some colors, so I hopefully will never be out of them again. I've got a couple hours before I'm going to cook for me and Dawn. Yesterday's video is finished, and I did go ahead and build the orchids, but I did that sitting down. So now I've got 2 boxes. There's one on a vase that I packed up when I put away spring stuff last year. It actually looks really great in the vase. I'll probably find it when I pull out like Easter Legos or something. But yeah, the daffodils and the orchids, 2 boxes each now is nice and full. But I'm missing, did I say orchid? I meant lotus flower. I have orchids on the brain. I'm missing one of the pink lotus flowers. Sorry about that. Not orchids, lotus. But there are Lego orchids in the house up there behind the church. Ooh, porterhouse and eggs. I finished the second floor. I am missing just a couple of coral flowers, and I actually know of one place where I might can go look for them here. And I decided not to put in the window curtain the guy had. and not to put the piece of artwork here, but I hung a nice piece of artwork over the stairs there. So I'm very happy with how it's coming. It's only 4:30. I may or may not work on it some more today. We'll see. Well, Donna and I enjoyed our steaks, bought some Tesla stock, and now I'm going to come back and work on part 4, the last part of the art school. This is the roof, what it looks like. It's actually turned around backward. The green is in the front. It's got 46 steps, and I thought I might try to do the first 12, which will allow me to lay it on top of the building, make sure it fits good, and then, you know, tomorrow if I feel like it, I can add on stuff. But I know I've got to hunt some parts to do the first, get it situated. So I'm going to work on it for a bit. It's only 6:30. Yes, thank you for twisting my camera lens over. Thank you, thank you. I got through bag 20. There's a lot of skylight stuff going on up here. A lot more windows, which I mostly have ready to go with the glass in it. Clock will be going in here, and more green and more of the dark bluish gray 75 slope tiles to fill in the sides, but not tonight.